Hello. So today we'll be looking at how to sell your online course with YouTube Shorts. This coaching is given to you by Joe Okoro. I'm a digital marketing coach. You see, a lot of people have difficulty with selling their online course. But one of the most effective and fastest way to get traffic to your online course is using shorts, YouTube shorts specifically. So today we'll be looking at exactly what you're going to do to make use of YouTube short to sell your course. So the question now is, are you selling your own online course with short videos? If you are not, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. If you are not creating YouTube shorts, you are missing out seriously. You see, one way that you can get massive traffic to your online course is by creating these short videos and posting them on your YouTube channel. Of course, the short videos should be done in such a way that it drives traffic to your online course, and I'm going to show you how to do that. In fact, YouTube Short is getting massive traffic in recent times that you cannot afford not to use it. In case you don't know what YouTube Short are, YouTube Short are short videos that are created to last between 1 second to 59 seconds. They're usually less than 60 seconds or 60 seconds max in length. So that is why it is called short. They are actually short videos. So if you are creating long form videos already and you have a YouTube channel, if you are not creating shorter version of videos, then you should start doing that now. Make sure that you start making smaller version of that long form videos, which we call YouTube shorts. Let it be a part of your marketing methods or traffic methods to drive traffic to your online course. It will help you to gain more exposure for your online course, more exposure for your YouTube channel, and of course, at the end of the day, you will get traffic and leads for your online course. With YouTube Shorts, if you have started creating it, you find out that it will be easier for you to get more subscribers who are going to be the one being notified each time you post a long form videos. What I mean by long form videos is videos with lengths higher or longer than the 0 to 60 seconds. So videos that are above 1 minute are actually called long form videos. So with short videos, you'll be able to get a lot of subscribers, which will be notified each time you post a long form video. And of course, these subscribers are targeted um, website visitors, okay, that you could use to sell your online course at the end of the day. So how do you now promote your online course with short? You might be asking that question. What exactly are the steps you need to take? Well, the first step you need to take is you need to make YouTube short from your long form videos. That is the first step you can take. If you have a long form video already of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or even 10 minutes, it is possible for you to actually walk through the content of this video and make between 3 to 4 small videos or small YouTube short videos from that 10-minute video. YouTube now has a feature that allows you to make YouTube shorts from your existing long form videos. If you have a mobile phone, you can check it there. You go to your long form video, you see that there is option for you to make a short out of your long form video. Now, if you are the type that did your long form video with PowerPoint, you can actually go through your PowerPoint content and pick areas that you feel can form one video. Okay, break the video into several parts, and those several parts is what we now form your YouTube short. So a 10 minutes video, you can actually get between 3 to 4 or even 5 YouTube shorts from it. So that is the first thing you can do. You can translate your long form video or break it down to form shorter videos and use it to be your short form video. If you look at your YouTube channel, you see that YouTube has two sections. There is a section for long form videos, which is tagged as videos, and then you have another one for short form video, which is tagged as shorts on the YouTube channel. In fact, they have been separated so that short appears separate and long form videos appears separate. The second way that you can prepare your YouTube short and promote it on your channel is by directing your viewers, directing your short viewers to your long form videos. That is how you promote your course. Okay, you direct your short viewers or your short form video, those who are watching your short to your long form videos. How do you do that? Well, you do that by educating your audience, okay? Because that's the purpose of YouTube short. The goal is to educate your audience, and then your own goal is, since you are using it to sell your course, is to educate them, give them a small version of what is in the main video or the long form video, then direct them to watch the full video from your channel. That is what you need to do. In other words, the purpose of your YouTube short should be to whet the appetite of your audience and direct that audience to watch the full version of your video using some call to actions in your short videos. Okay, that is what you should do. So if you have long form videos already on your channel, that is what you should need to do. You just go there and cut them into bits, make a short form video out of it, and from each of them you redirect them to the long form video that has the main details. Okay, for example, the video you see at your right hand, is the picture you see is actually one of the video on my channel, why create a course. It's a 15-minute video. Now looking at this, you can actually cut it into 4. It can be why create a course part 1, why create a course part 2, part 3, part 4, and then you use the content in it. Then at the end of each of the short, you can now say something like, if you want to learn more about why you need to create a course, go to our YouTube channel and watch the full video for a better understanding. You can do this in part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, or even part 5 if it's up to part 5. So that is exactly what you need to do. You want to direct your short viewers to your long form videos. Okay, you know why you need to do that? Because your long form video actually has an advertisement for your online course. Okay, so what we're saying is that your short should be directly related to the content of the long form videos, as I've explained. Okay, so for most marketers, the normal practice is they advertise a freebie in the long form videos or the main video. Okay, usually it is done at the end of the video. After someone has watched your video from beginning, at the end they are referred to a resource that will help them to learn better. For you who is selling an online course, usually you give a freebie. Okay, it could be a short report, it could be an online course, it could be a video for them to watch to learn more. Okay, you give it at the end of your long form video. So what you want to do is you want to direct your short video to your long form videos, so that after watching your long form video, they can now go at the end of your long form video to download that resource that you have advertised. That resource will have a link to your online course, and that is how you get traffic to promote your online course. The third way you can promote your online course with YouTube Short is by advertising that freebie link that you also advertise in your long form videos, advertising it in the short comments of every of your YouTube shorts. In fact, this is one of the underutilized but extremely powerful way that you can advertise your online course using the comment section of your YouTube short. A lot of people leave that place empty. In reality, the comment section is where you can make a lot, you can get a lot of leads or get a lot of people to see your landing page or your offer page. Usually for all course creators, it is best you give away a freebie product there, something like a free report or an online course or a video. You want to ask your viewers to leave a comment in your shorts, and then when they go to your comment section, they will see the link to your freebie. And how can that happen? All you need to do is you need to post the link as an advertisement to the freebie you are giving, the link to the landing page, which will take them to the freebie that you are giving. You post it, and then you pin it at the top so that every person who comes to the comment section will see your landing page and of course see the advertisement for your freebie. This should happen at the comment section of your short. Remember that the descriptive part or description box of your short, no one sees it, but the comment is where everybody goes. If you have asked them to leave a comment in your short, most people will go to your comment section to leave a comment, and once they go there, they will see the advertisement for your freebie, your advertised freebie, and they can get it from there. You find that many people will subscribe to your freebie, and then you can start following up on them, and then you can later convert them to students or to customers. Then the next thing you need to do is you need to learn how to schedule your video posting for best results. Okay, so for content marketing to work for you, you need to have a schedule for video marketing. So what we're saying is that if you're using video marketing to sell your online course, the best approach is to have a schedule to post it in a way that is consistent and regular. For example, you every week you can decide to do 1 or 2 long form videos and you post. Schedule a day that you are going to post it on your channel. Then you prepare to do between 3 to 5 YouTube shorts. You can decide to do 1 video every week and 3 shorts every week, or 2 videos every week and 5 shorts every week. Of course, that would mean that you are doing a video, releasing videos every single day. But what matters is consistency. As long as you are consistent, you are going to get results. The YouTube shorts will help you to ramp up subscribers, because that is what YouTube shorts is good at. It helps you to get a lot of subscribers and views very, very fast. A lot of these people will check your channel homepage, you check your long form videos, which will ultimately grow the traffic and leads you get to sell your online courses. Okay, and of course it will also get traffic to your long form videos. So if you can do this for a very long time, you notice that you will start getting free targeted organic leads to your sales funnel, to your landing page, which advertises your freebie, and you will start following up on them. Take note that when you use YouTube Shorts to try to sell your online course, there are 2 ways you can benefit. Number one, you could use the comment section of your shorts to advertise the link to your freebie. Okay, you use the end part of your long form video to advertise your freebie. Inside your freebie is where you advertise your course, and of course, if you have a sales funnel, follow-up emails will continue to go out and you continue to sell your product. That way you are giving real value to the world, because you have to give first before you expect patronage. If you can do this, then you continue to witness hundreds of leads and daily sales for your online course. In fact, this is one of the best way you can use YouTube Shorts to sell your online course. So if you have not been doing it, this is a wake-up call for you to start doing it, starting or immediately. This is the best time for you to start doing it effective immediately. So what next? Well, if you enjoyed this video and you would like to learn more, I have created a free 6 days video training series that shows you exactly how to create and launch an online course that sells. Okay, it is an intensive 6 days video training that you're going to enjoy. So if you want to get it, use the link in the description below this video to get it. And if you have any question or comments, please leave it in the comment section to give me an idea of where to create the next video or to answer any of your questions. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.